Well, good morning. This is the blue biker, and the bike is ready. So am I. Just almost ready. Putting on my gloves and glasses. Welcome to my. I don't even remember which motovlog this is, but hopefully this turns out to be really good. I've strapped up. Just going to warm up my bike now. And today we are going to Gokarna. I don't know anything about Gokarna. I've never been there, and I have not checked the maps or anything. We are just getting off and going, so hopefully it turns out good. And yeah, I guess who woke up late was supposed to leave at 5 so that I could make it there on time, but you know, me being me, I woke up some time ago and it's 9:15 right now. Not the best time to leave for a ride, but that's alright. I am going solo, so I don't have to worry about getting late or anything. It's just me and the bike, and hopefully some good roads. I've heard the roads are good, but let's see. Ooh, yeah. Beep beep. And this is why you wake up on time when you have to go far. Seriously. So much traffic. I'm catching all the commuting traffic right now, and it is annoying because I'm like fully geared up and it's not so cold right now. Like the winter has gone long time ago and summer is almost here, so things are getting hot. Oh, did I break a signal? Why was everyone else going? Why did I go? I think that guy waved that it's okay to go, but still. No idea where I am. I mean, I know I'm in Madgaon, but I'm not sure if this is the highway or some internal road or something. But how did I reach here? If you're wondering how I reached here, bro, I was just following all the signs. Okay, this is why. Drysdale Junction ahead, but where does this junction lead, my friend? You have to tell me that too, right? This is my third time in South Goa, so the memory is a little shoddy, but I think I know where this will go. This will connect to the highway. Yeah, Sip Karwar on the right. Yep, I have been here. I think I'll cover Madgaon, find a nice spot to sit and cool down for a bit because I am sweating like a fountain right now. Not a pig. You pigs don't sweat. Okay, I know it's the same people like saying that pigs sweating like a pig, but pigs don't sweat. So I'll have to look. Oh fuck, that is a nice house. Damn. Man, people here have so much money. Where is my money? Where is my house? Where is my really fancy mansion with a Lamborghini standing outside? Actually, you know, I'll never take a Lamborghini. I'll never buy a Ducati. They are incredible machines, but not for India. Although I wouldn't mind a super adventure, you know, or GS, to be honest. F900 GS, what a beautiful bike. What a beautiful bike. Sounds really great. Very underrated. The 900 platform by BMW, it shows that you don't have to be the fanciest or the best to make a complete motorcycle. They have done it really well, and the exhaust note is really good. That's what I was thinking that day. So I bought this bike for some money and I was like, dude, I could have bought 7 or 8 second-hand scooters for that, really good ones, and put them all on rent. And then I could have bought a KTM and paid my EMIs with it. That, kiddos, is how you realize financial mistakes and motorcycles often go hand in hand. Anyway, I love my bike. I'm glad I bought this and didn't do anything else with it with the same money. Money comes and goes, man. You always have to have a bike. Yeah. Am I even recording? I don't think I pressed the button. Why am I stupid? Now see, this is the kind of place where my intrusive thoughts want to win. Ooh, give me a speeding ticket, man. Yeah, so speaking of intrusive thoughts, this is the road. The truck is not letting us pass, and I'm like, I have an adventure bike. I can just go down and then go ahead. Should I? Ooh, should I? I'm confused. I don't think. No. Let's not. We don't know how the patch is ahead. You know, we don't. Sorry, my intrusive thoughts won. Yup, they definitely won, and this is why I love adventure bikes. Sure, I've forgotten something really important. Yeah, if you're wondering if it's my brain, dude, don't worry. I don't have a brain at home either. I just don't have brain. I have 2 brain cells. That's what I function on. Since childhood, I have functioned on 2 brain cells. All right. So this is why it's easy for me to ride a bike, because you know the clutch is on this side, which is handled by my left brain cell, and then the accelerator and the brakes are covered by my right brain cell. I never forget my brain at home. That's for sure. You know, one of the best things about bike rides for me was to go to unexplored places far off, you know, different corners of Maharashtra or Goa, whichever state I'm in, and have tea over there. It's always nice to see how different tea tastes in different corners of the world, you know. But nature had other plans. It gave me lactose intolerance and I can no longer have tea. So yeah, my chai pakoda rides have now turned into just pakoda rides. Hey mama लोग कैसन बा, मैं सही रास्ते पे जा रही है, बताओ ना मेरे को नहीं पता रे, मैं इधर फर्स्ट टाइम आया, it is my first time over here. Give me a speeding ticket, man. And this is why you don't speed in places you're not familiar with. Turns out the cops got me. And they fined me. Damn, that one stings. You know how what the speed limit is over here? It's 60. It's 60. Who goes 60 on such a good highway? Why would you put 60 ka speed limit, man? Seriously, it's annoying. My cornering speed is more than 60. 1000 रुपए कट गए. So beautiful road. Thank you. Visit again. Okay, so Goa ends over here, I guess. And Karnataka begins. Let's do it one more time. So I think Gokarna is now 30 or 40 kilometers away, and dude, it's 12:17 right now. It's hot. I'm like, everything feels like I'm sitting inside an oven right now because everything just feels too hot. Okay, so funny thing, remember when I told you that I have 2 brain cells? Yeah, I did a brain cell movement right now. Thank God we stopped here for some coffee. But yeah, the brain cell movement was that we have crossed Gokarna by like 10 kilometers, I think. Good thing we stopped. Otherwise, I would have reached Udupi. Pretty sure I would have been like, I'll see a board or something. I don't know what I was expecting. Nope. It's on a slope. Oi. Have to kick it. I'm pretty sure I pulled a muscle somewhere. Where are we? Okay. So you have to take the next left and then keep going straight until we reach. So just a few more kilometers and then we'll be in Gokarna. Yep, I think we have the itinerary sorted for what we are going to do in Gokarna. I'm not a lifestyle vlogger, okay? I'm a motovlogger, so that's what mostly I'll be doing, but I'll still record some videos here and there about Gokarna itself, so if you are coming here, you can explore the place too, like I'm doing. So once I get the link to the hostel, we'll go there. We'll see what it's about, how it is, what is the pricing like. I don't want to spend a lot, but I don't want to share my space with anyone right now because riding here is expensive, man. So we have one hostel in mind. It's called Revive Hostel. It's somewhere. It's on the beach, on the main beach, I guess. So we are heading there right now. Let's see how it is. We'll check out the rooms and turn right and then turn left. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. Really narrow roads here. And a lot of people. I think I took the wrong road to Google Apple Maps. Did it again. Should have used Google. It's always special to come to a new place for the first time. I've never been to Gokarna, so it's exciting to say the least, man. That's what travel is about. Obviously there are some places where I keep going all the time. Goa used to be one of them. But whenever I visit a new place, completely new, that I've never been to ever in my life, it's always a very special feeling. It makes you feel, I don't know how to describe it, you know. It's like adding a badge to your life. Oh shit, I've never walked so much in my riding boots before. I just walked 2 kilometers to reach the hostel, and that hostel didn't have private rooms. Very nice. Oh god, I'm so tired. I'm going to another hostel now. Found one on Google. Should have made bookings before. I don't know why I do this. I never learn. That's the thing. This is massive. Apple Maps is taking me for a spin right now. I'm enjoying it, but I'm also glad that I don't have a car, because no way I can get a car over here. And we are back here. What is this place? Where am I going? Still left Gokarna. Update. I have finally checked in. Found a really nice hotel, really nice room with AC. So I cleaned up, had a bath, and I have forgotten so many things. For example, I forgot to bring a mic so that I could record videos properly. I forgot to bring my chappal, so now I have to wear these wherever I go. I'm not going to do that. I'll just find some cheap chappal somewhere. Should find it. Anyway, I'll show you the room now. Yeah, this is me with my unironed t-shirt. Yeah, that's the entrance, but this is what I'm paying for. Beautiful, isn't it? The sunset is going to be brilliant from here if the sun sets in this direction. Hopefully it should. But yeah, looks really nice. Got some hills over here and blue water.